2002 S2000 by Honda. Got long tube headers, high flow cat. Then it's got 2 1/4 tail, intermediate pipe. Then what we put on it is a DTM stainless steel muffler right there with a turn down tip. Came out really nice, something different. Hope you guys like it. There it is. Let you guys hear it in a second. Make sure the camera's clean. Right there. S2000. He drifts in it, so let's see if hopefully he said he can drift for us. We'll see.
Don't stall it out again.
Give it gas. I don't trust it with rubber. Again? 107. That's sound decibels right there.
What's that? Like,
107.
Is that
Yeah. It peaks at 130.
oh, sweet.
Yeah, it quieted down a lot. It tamed it a lot.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah? Nice. Let us what you guys know. What do you think in the comments? Honda S2000.